There's something fascinating happening in silence. While most 9-to-5 employees wake up, rush to work, and count the days to the next paycheck, a small percentage of them are quietly building fortunes that their colleagues will never see coming. No flashy cars, no loud announcements, just quiet, consistent action stacking invisible wealth in the background. You see, wealth isn't only born in boardrooms or startups. It's built in the small daily choices of ordinary employees who think like investors. This is where financial freedom begins, in the habits of those who turn their salaries into systems, not just spending. So today, we'll uncover secrets ordinary 9-to-5 employees use to secretly build massive wealth. They don't brag about it, they simply build it, silently, intelligently, and relentlessly. Stay till the end, because the final point will reveal the mindset shift that turns any paycheck into a lifelong income engine. If you're committed to transforming your future, hit that subscribe button. We're here to provide the tools and motivation you need to make it happen. Let's begin. Number 1. They treat their salary like capital, not cash. Many employees see their paycheck as a reward. The wealthy see it as fuel. To the average person, a salary means comfort, rent paid, groceries bought, and maybe a weekend dinner. To the wealth builder, it's the seed that must be planted before it's ever enjoyed. Instead of spending on temporary pleasures, they assign their income a job. Every dollar has a mission: to multiply. They direct a portion into investment accounts, index funds, and dividend-paying ETFs. They automate transfers so wealth creation happens even when they're not paying attention. This is how the silent rich are born, through systems, not splurges. They understand something fundamental. Your salary is not for lifestyle inflation. It's for asset creation. And the earlier you treat it this way, the faster compounding begins to work in your favor. Imagine you earn $4,000 a month. Instead of upgrading your phone or wardrobe, you allocate even a small portion into your portfolio: growth stocks, index funds, or real estate REITs. In a few years, that portion doesn't just grow, it works for you. While others chase raises, you chase returns. And when those returns start generating income, you've crossed the invisible line from employee to investor. Number 2. They turn their 9-to-5 schedule into leverage. Here's a paradox. The busier you are, the less likely you think you can build wealth. But the truth? Constraints create clarity. A 9-to-5 job gives you something entrepreneurs crave: predictable cash flow. That stability is leverage. It allows you to take calculated risks without desperation. Wealth-building employees use their evenings not to escape work, but to build something that outlasts it. They use that 1 hour after dinner to study investing, rebalance portfolios, explore dividend income strategies, or automate contributions to index funds. They don't quit their jobs impulsively. They use them strategically. Imagine working a regular corporate job, then quietly building your portfolio on the side. Every paycheck adds a brick to your financial fortress. Your job isn't the prison, it's the platform. The secret lies in consistency, not chaos. 1 hour a day compounds into 30 hours a month, enough to change your financial direction completely. Instead of wasting time scrolling or complaining, they're learning about asset allocation, portfolio diversification, and tax-efficient investing. Their colleagues spend time chasing promotions. They spend time building passive income streams that eventually outpay those promotions. And once that happens, the game flips. Your employer still owns your hours, but you own your wealth. But let's make something clear. It's not about how much you earn, because the next secret reveals why chasing higher salaries rarely leads to freedom. Number 3. They focus on return on capital, not return on effort. It's the biggest myth of the modern workplace, that a higher salary equals more wealth. It doesn't. It just means a bigger lifestyle trap waiting to happen. The wealthy employee doesn't obsess over income. They obsess over rate of return. They understand that every extra dollar earned is meaningless if it's spent faster than it's saved. Most people earn more, then immediately upgrade. New apartment, nicer car, premium subscriptions. But the silent wealth builders capture the gap between income and expenses, the surplus, and assign it a mission: to generate returns. They treat money like employees. It should be working even when you're not. So while others chase overtime hours, they chase investment yields. Their focus isn't on trading time for dollars, but on turning dollars into assets that compound. They invest in dividend-paying stocks, growth-focused ETFs, and businesses that can scale without their daily input. Because when your assets earn while you sleep, Your job becomes optional. They measure wealth not in salary digits but in freedom months, how long they could sustain their life if they stopped working tomorrow. Every investment extends that runway. And here's the clever part. The return on capital mindset makes you wealthier even if your salary never changes. You've upgraded your financial IQ, not just your paycheck. Number 4, they build a personal wealth map and treat it like a business plan. Ordinary employees save blindly. Wealthy employees plan strategically. They know exactly where every cent goes, not by accident, but by design. They operate like a small hedge fund manager running their own capital. They divide their money across multiple asset classes: equities for growth, bonds for stability, real estate for cash flow, and ETFs for diversification. It's not about chasing trends, it's about building structure. Their wealth map is a visual. What percentage goes into dividend income? What sits in liquid reserves? What grows long-term in retirement portfolios? They treat their portfolio like a living business, reviewing performance, adjusting allocation, and reinvesting profits. This level of precision turns ordinary earners into extraordinary investors. They don't check their net worth every day, but they understand direction, up and to the right. Every month, they add a little more, refine their strategy, and cut waste. The result? Predictable growth, because in finance, clarity compounds faster than luck. Their colleagues might still be guessing where their money went last month. They already know where next month's money will go before it even arrives. Now you might wonder, where do they find the money to invest in the first place? The next secret exposes how they use their job to fund something far more powerful than a paycheck. Number 5. They use their job to build a side income engine. A steady salary is not the enemy. It's the energy source for your financial evolution. Smart employees don't waste that stability. They exploit it. They use the predictability of their paycheck to fund small but scalable income engines, investments that eventually stand on their own. That could be a portfolio of dividend stocks, an index fund strategy, a small rental property, or even digital income from an automated online venture. The magic lies in funding creation with stability. Instead of borrowing to start a side hustle, they let their job bankroll it. Over time, those income engines begin producing cash flow, and that cash flow feeds back into more assets. It's a loop of quiet wealth creation. They aren't hustling endlessly after work. They're building systems that generate value without constant attention. Soon, they have 3 income streams: their salary, their investments, and their automated cash flow engine. When one slows down, the others carry momentum. It's financial diversification in real life, not just across assets, but across effort. And once that balance shifts, they no longer fear layoffs or recessions. They've built their personal safety net, powered by discipline, not luck. Number 6. They use time as their greatest multiplier. The wealthiest employees know that time is the only asset that compounds faster than money. They start early, stay consistent, and let patience become their secret weapon. Compounding doesn't reward those who rush. It rewards those who remain. Every small contribution, every share purchased, every dividend reinvested begins to snowball. At first, it's invisible. Then suddenly, it's unstoppable. While others chase get-rich-quick schemes, they're quietly getting wealthy slow. Their investments survive bear markets, rebound in bull markets, and grow through cycles because they understand the math of staying in the game. They don't panic during downturns. They accumulate. They don't time the market. They trust time in the market. Years later, their portfolio isn't just numbers on a screen. It's proof that consistency outperforms intensity. Because wealth is rarely a dramatic event, it's the slow reward of relentless stability. Number 7. They play the long game and build their empire in silence. The final secret isn't tactical, it's philosophical. Ordinary employees dream of overnight success. Wealth builders prepare for inevitable success through time, not luck. They understand that wealth is not a lottery ticket, it's an algorithm of behavior. They automate, diversify, and remain consistent through boredom, volatility, and doubt. They don't brag about wins or panic over losses. They simply continue, quietly, deliberately, purposefully. This is why they appear ordinary but live extraordinary lives. While others post lifestyle pictures, they collect equity. While others seek validation, they seek returns. They don't chase trends. They chase peace. The peace of knowing they own their time, their choices, and their financial destiny. Their empire isn't loud. It's stable, built brick by brick, paycheck by paycheck, investment by investment. And one day, without ever announcing it, they arrive, free from alarms, meetings, and permission. Because freedom isn't an accident, it's engineered through patience, systems, and quiet conviction. So, to every employee watching this, your job is not your limitation. It's your launchpad. Use it, respect it, but never depend solely on it. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. If you're curious about 10 clever money hacks to become rich silently, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.